Most people still believe you need a college degree to earn a high income. That used to be true. It just isn't anymore. Right now, companies in the United States are hiring for remote roles that pay over $80,000 a year. And these roles don't require you to sit in an office or even live in the same country. So in this video, we're going to walk through 5 real jobs, not clickbait jobs like watch videos or data entry. Jobs that companies are actually hiring for. Jobs that people are earning real money from. I'll explain what each job actually involves, why the pay is high, what skills matter, and how someone starting from zero can realistically move into one. Let's get into it. Job 1. Customer Success Manager. Think of customer success as long-term relationship building between a company and its clients, not customer support. Customer support solves problems. Customer success prevents problems. For example, let's say a business purchases software to manage their sales team. They're paying monthly. If they feel confused, ignored, or overwhelmed, they cancel. That costs the company money. So a customer success manager steps in to guide them. You help them understand how to use the software. You check in regularly. You identify issues early before they turn into complaints. And you make sure they're getting value from what they are paying for. You're not selling. You're not cold calling. You're simply keeping customers happy. Companies care about this role because retaining a customer is cheaper than finding a new one. If you reduce cancellations, you directly protect revenue, which is why the pay is strong. Typical pay sits around $60,000 to $90,000 a year once you gain experience. You don't need a degree. You need clear communication, emotional intelligence, the ability to explain software simply. To start learning, there are free courses on HubSpot Academy and Salesforce Trailhead. You can practice by simply helping friends or small businesses use common tools like Slack, Notion, HubSpot, Zoom, and Zapier. This job values people's skills more than certificates. Job 2. Technical Support Analyst. This is not fixing laptop issues. This is supporting business software. Things like payment processing tools, CRM systems, team automation platforms. For example, let's say a company uses Stripe for payments and something breaks in their workflow. That business loses time and money every minute it's down. A technical support analyst steps in to diagnose the issue, identify the cause, and help the business get back on track. You don't need to be a programmer. You need to understand how software interfaces work, how to follow logic step by step, how to communicate clearly with customers under stress. Why the pay is good. You are helping businesses avoid losing money. Speed and clarity are valued, so the pay reflects that. Typical pay ranges from $50,000 to $85,000 a year, depending on the software you specialize in. A good starting point is Zapier. If you spend 4 weeks learning how to connect apps and automate tasks, you can already begin offering meaningful help. Record your workflows and solutions. Turn them into a portfolio. That alone shows competence. Job 3. Email Marketing Specialist. Every business needs sales, but most businesses can't afford to run advertisements all the time. So they use email, because once someone joins their list, sending messages is nearly free and extremely effective. Your job as an email marketing specialist is to write simple, clear emails that build trust, highlight value, lead people to buy, no dramatic copywriting needed. Just talking to people like they're real human beings. If your emails increase sales, you directly create revenue, and companies pay for that. Pay usually lands between $50,000 and $100,000 a year, depending on results. To get started, open your own email inbox. Study emails from grocery stores, clothing brands, fitness coaches, software tools. Pay attention to how they write subject lines, how they tell small stories, how they lead to a purchase. Your first clients can be small online shops. Reach out, offer to test 3 email sequences for them. If they see even a small increase in sales, they will keep you. Job 4. Notion Workspace Designer. Notion has become the all-in-one platform for organization. Teams use it to manage goals, tasks, content, meeting notes, clients. A Notion Workspace Designer helps people structure their work so they don't feel overwhelmed. This job pays because clarity saves time, and time is money. Pay for full-time workers usually sits around $60,000 to $95,000 a year. Freelancers often get between $200 and $500 per project, sometimes more for larger systems. To get started, organize your own life inside Notion. Turn your system into 3 templates, share them publicly. That becomes your portfolio. No degree, no certification, just proof that you can think clearly. Job 5. AI Prompt Designer Workflow Builder. This is one of the newest roles. Your job is to design prompts and automated workflows using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, 11 Labs. Companies want to automate repetitive tasks like drafting emails, generating documents, summarizing reports, or responding to customers. If you can create workflows that save teams hours, you create value instantly. Pay ranges from $70,000 to $120,000 a year, depending on complexity. To start, document prompts you already use. Refine them. Show before and after time savings. That alone qualifies as experience. This is one of the fastest growing opportunities right now. All 5 of these roles do not require a degree, do not require living in the United States, do not require years of experience, but they do require patience, curiosity, and the ability to learn systems. If you want, I'll create a full roadmap showing exactly how to go from 0 skills, first remote interview, first remote job, just comment, roadmap, and I'll build it in the next video. See you soon.